Hello everyone, my name is Miss Madrabua, but you can call me Maddie. And welcome to True Corset's Corset School, where we teach you all the basics and not so basics of corset wear and care. Today, we're starting our series on waist training, and we're going to talk about what waist training is and why we do it. The definition of waist training is, most simply, the process of modifying the shape and size of your waist through the use of steel-boned corsets. Corsets are worn for a variety of reasons besides waist modification, like posture and back support. It's very common for people to report a decline in back issues and pain after beginning their corset journey. With proper discipline and dedication, corset training can wield great semi-permanent results. When you tighten your corset in small increments over time, your waist will begin to conform to the shape of your corset. Not everyone will get the exact same results from corset training, but if you work hard at it, you'll definitely see a difference. Corsets have been around for hundreds of years, and waist training has been around just as long. And while fashion cycles through the decades, an hourglass figure always comes back in style. Thank you so much for watching! Make sure to like this video and hit subscribe, and be sure to ring that notification bell to be notified of all our new uploads. I'll see you next time on True Corset's Corset School. Bye!